Hello my dear children, welcome back to our mathematics class, and in our last class we have discussed about the factor tree method to find the prime factorization of a given number, and today we are going to learn one more new method, that is division method. So let's see students. Division method, what is this? In this method actually we start dividing the given number by the smallest prime number and continue the division by prime numbers till we reach the 1. Alright students, and we will use here the divisibility test of the number to check the division, and it is known also short division method. Alright students, so let's see. If I have taken here one example 22, you can see here students, I have done that 22 means we can divide this like 2 11 22. So as I have told, in division method we will start the division from the smallest prime number, and as 2 is the smallest prime number and we will see it will go or not. You can see here 22, it's ending the ones place digit is 2, and as you know the test of divisibility by 2 is the ending digit or the last digit or unit digit should be either 0, 2, 4, alright, 6, 8. So that's why we have divided it by 2, and 2 11 22. So and now 11 1 11, so prime factorization of 2 will be 2 into 11. Alright children, now same way if you see one more very simple example, that is 8 I have taken. We have done over, see here 2 4 8, alright, and 2 2 4. So we can write like this again 2 1 2. So prime factorization of 8 will be, we have to write the only prime numbers. So prime numbers are the 3 2 is over here, 2 2 2, that means 2 cube, and 1, this one we cannot write here as it is not the prime number. Alright children, now see here one more example I am giving you. Suppose 20, how we'll write here 20? 20 means we can do like this, 2 10 20. Again this composite number we have to divide it by, suppose we will see here 1, how, as you know that ending number if it is or the last or unit digit is 0, then it is divided by 2, so we can divide it by again 2. 2 5 10, and 2 is also prime number, so now 5 also prime number, so 5 1 5, we cannot divide it by 5 by other number, so this is the prime factorization. Therefore 20, prime factorization of 20 we can write like this, 2 into 5, and you can check that your work is correct or not, or the prime factorization is correct or not. So how we will check? If you have know that 2 2 4 and 5, as you know 4 5 20, so see here 2 2 4 and 5, it's coming the same result 20. You can no need to write here, just to check that your work is correct or not. Alright children, same way we'll do one more thing, that 72, how we can separate it? 2, we can start the divide as the ending number is 2, so we will start the division ending with 2. So 2 again, 2 3 is 6, if we divide 6, then 1 will remain, and 1 plus 2 12. So students, you can see here that 2 2 3 is 6, then 2 will bring, if you bring then 2 12, then 2 6 is 12, so our remainder is, that means it is the complete quotient, so 36, 2 36 is 72 we will get here. And now same way if we do 2 18 is 36, then again we can divide it by 2, 2 9 is 18, so 9 again we can separate, 3 3 is 9, alright, and 3 1 is 3, so these are all will be this side or the prime factorization. So 70 prime factorization of 72 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and that means it's actually 2 cube and 3 square. Alright children, and I hope this is clear to you now how we can solve the division method. Just we have to check that number is divisible by 2 or not. If it's not going with 2, then we have to see that next digit 3, then 5, and we'll solve some problem, then you will understand again, you will clear. Alright, so exercise 5.3, you can see that till question number 2 we have done. Question number 3 is find the prime factors of each of the following numbers by division method. How we can do it, students? So we have to solve this all by division method. Question number A is our 66. So how we can solve 6? If you see that a last or unit digit place digit is 6. So as you know, the test observability we have got that if the unit digit is 6, then it will be divisible by 2. And as we have to start or we have to check the divisibilities from the 2 at first, as 2 is the smallest prime number. Alright children, so 2 3 is 6, again 2 3 is 6. So now how we'll do 33. So 33, as you know that 3 11 are 33, so 3 11 are 33. Now 11 1 are 11. So we have what we have got here, the prime factorization of 66 means we can write 2 into 3 into 11, and this one we cannot write. So if you want to check, you can check like this also. 2 into 3 6, and 6 11 just 66. So our result is coming, that means it's correct. Right, now if you'll see that question number B is 112. So 2 is the unit digit is 2, and we have to start the division process with the smallest prime number, and as the smallest prime number is 2 and it's divisible by 2 also. So 2 5 are 10. If you see 2 5 are 10, 1 will remain, and 1 and 2 12. So 2 6 are 12. Alright, now again 2 2 are 4, then 4. If you do it in your mind, alright. If you have doubt, you can do in the rough page also. Okay, 2 2 are 4, then 1 will come, then 1 and 6 16. So 2 8 are 16. Now 28 our result. So 28 again we can divide. 2 14 are 28. So 14 again we can separate. 2 7 are 14, and 7 we can write here again. 7 1 are 7. So prime factorization will be, the prime factorization of the 112 will be 2 cube 3 2 4, 2 to the power 4 and 7. That means 2 4 times we have to multiply, and 7 we have to multiply with it. Alright, then we will get this 112. Next is question number C I have taken here, and it is 65. So how we can solve it? If you will see here, you can notice here that 1's place digit is 5, and as you know that any number is divisible by 2 if the last or unit digit is either 2 0 4 6 and 8, but here it is 5. That means it will not be divisible by 2. Alright, and how we'll check it is divisible by 3 or not, as the after 2 which is coming the prime number 3. And how we can check that this number is divisible by not? As we know, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. But if we check the sum 6 plus 5, if you do here 6 plus 5, you will get 11. But 11 is not divisible by 3. Alright, that means this number will not be divisible by 3. So next which is coming the prime number is coming 5. And as you know, a number is divisible by 5 if its last digit or unit digit is either 0 or 5. But here it's 5. That means it's obviously divisible by 5. So we'll start the division process with 5. So 5 1 are 5 if we'll do. And now which is coming? 1 and 15. So 15. So 5 3 are 15. And if you have learned the table of 13, then directly also you can do it, students, that 13 5 are 65. Okay children, so 13 1 are 13. That means the prime factorization of 65 is 5 into 13. And how I have told you, just explain. Same way you have to check the others number also, that's the unit digit as you have know now this known to you the test of divisibility. Okay children, so next is that if you will see f number I have taken 136. So how we can start the division process, as 6 is the last unit digit, so we can divide or start the division by 2. Okay, so 2 6 12, and then 1 will be remain 1 and 6. Here 1 will be remained 1 and 6 16, and 2 8 just 16. Okay, so 68 and 234 just 68. How will check? 2 3 just 6 and 2 4 just 8. Alright children. Now 2 17 just 34 and 17 1 just 17. Fine children. So the prime factorization of 136 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 17. That means 2 cube and 2 17. Fine children, I hope this is clear to you now. Now next I am showing that is J number 256. How we can start, as this is also ending number is 6, so we can start with the smallest prime number 2, and this short division you must remember that you have to divide this process with the prime numbers only. Alright, so 2 1 is 2, now 2 2 is 4, and 1 will remain 1 and 6 16, and 16 means here 2 8 is 16. Fine. So now 2 6 is 12 and 2 4 is 8. You can check, you can multiply and check this. It's as the multiple is coming, then it is dividing also. Alright, now 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. Same way 2 16 is 32. So 2, if you divide here, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, now 2 2 is 4 and 2 1 is 2. Fine children. So the prime factorization of 256 will be there. All these 2 we have to multiply. So how many 2 is coming? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 2 if you write, and see 8 2 means here 2 2 is 4, and that your result is correct or not. How we will check, students? See, 2 2 is 4, then 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, and 16, then again 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 4 8 is 16. See here, 2 2 is 4, 4 4 2 is 8, again 8 2 is 16. So 16 into 16 if you do, you will get 256. That means square of 60 is 256. Alright, I hope this is clear to you now. The division process and rest of the sums can be solved by yourself. Thank you.